Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial for the Cirrus Skin in Voyant. My name is Fabrizio Lacarra-Ramirez, and I'm the Digital Humanities Center Specialist for the DH Center here at San Diego State University. This guide is a part of a series of mini-tutorials covering various tools and functions available in Voyant for text analysis. If this is your first time hearing of or using Voyant, I invite you to explore our slideshow guides on Voyant basics and Voyant stopwords and search queries created by Kiana Kinshasa. Our DH Workshop tutorial for Voyant for text analysis, created by Pam Lack, is a great supplementary resource to view afterwards. This mini-tutorial will cover the Cirrus Skin within Voyant, how it differs from the titular word cloud, how to use its various functions to explore your corpus, and how using it in collaboration with other tools can help you achieve your project goals. Alright, let's get started. For this demonstration, I'll be using a corpus featuring the works of Jane Austen. Cirrus allows for the usage of many collections of texts, and is most likely compatible with your own choice of corpus. What is Cirrus? Cirrus is a word cloud that displays terms differently depending on their frequency in the corpus. Terms that occur more frequently are larger in size, while terms that occur less frequently are smaller in size. Note: the color of words and their position in the word cloud have no significance. If you resize the window or reload the page, the word cloud may reorganize and words will reappear in different locations. Hovering over a word will cause a box to appear that displays the frequency count for that term. Clicking on words in Cirrus will cause that term to appear in other compatible tools. Here's a list of tools affected by the Cirrus Skin: bubble lines, collocates, document terms, knots, phrases, terms radio, trends, and word tree. Interacting with Cirrus affects each tool differently depending on the skin's function. Often, clicking a term in Cirrus will act the same as the term search in other tools, adding the term to the table or visualization. You may have to experiment with the compatible tools to find which one works best for your project. Cirrus has a slider near the bottom left that allows you to adjust the number of words displayed. By default, the slider will be set to 55 words. The minimum value is 25 words, and the maximum value is 500 words. The slider adjusts by increments of 10. Clicking on the options icon also produces a dialog box with additional settings that can be modified. Let's talk about the two settings that are new to the options box. With the whitelist, you can define a set of allowed words, and only terms in this list will be shown in Cirrus. Click Edit List to add or remove terms from the whitelist. Then, select New User-Defined List in the drop-down box to activate the whitelist. Whitelists works in the opposite way of a stopwords list. Both the whitelist and the stopwords list are case-sensitive. Note that the stopwords list is still active, so you may want to choose None from the stopwords menu to deactivate it. This is what the whitelist interface looks like in the Options menu. Font families allow you to determine which font is used by Cirrus. A set of web-safe fonts is provided for you to choose from. Click on the arrow to the right of the drop-down box to select from Voyant's set of web-safe fonts. Note: you can also specify a font installed on your computer, but of course it may not be available on other computers, in which case a default font is used. This is what the font family interface looks like in the Options menu. Stemming, stopwords, and more functions are all available in the Cirrus Skin. If you'd like to learn more about configurations, please check out our other Voyant tutorials. By default, Cirrus shows the top frequency terms for the entire corpus. However, it's also possible to show top frequency terms for a single document. Click on the Scale menu in the lower left side and navigate to the Documents tab. Click on one of the documents. This will cause Cirrus to refresh with words from only the selected document. If you'd like to return to the Corpus view, click on the Scale menu and click Corpus. If you'd like to learn more about available skins, I invite you to explore our other mini-tutorials in this series on Voyant for text analysis. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day.